Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to make a GeoChart with markers in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Okay, open Google Sheets and create new project or open your old project. Okay, open project and category and amount. Okay, click on car, press shift your keyboard and click on this, select all category, select all amount. Okay, and left corner click on insert and click on chart. Right corner open chart editor and click on chart type. Scroll down and click on GeoChart with markers. Okay, and open, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.